This part of the video is images training, and what I'm going to do is show you how to build yourself a banner for your sidebar if that's what you want to do. So let's go to first our background images, and let's open this up, and let's grab a really cool background, copy it, and what you want to do is open up a PowerPoint presentation, or if you don't have PowerPoint, you can go to openoffice.org. Openoffice.org has a free program called Impression, and Impression works almost identical to PowerPoint and it's free. Anyway, let's paste this here and let's make it square like a sidebar banner would be. There we are. Now let's go find the images. "100 images." Alright, let's add a real cool car here. Let's paste this over top of this. And let's simply insert text. And let's just put in something like "This is my sidebar banner." Now let's make it the right size and a better color. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Now all you need to do is just highlight all of this and copy it and open up the free program called Paint. And just left click and hold this and drag it to a smaller size and paste. Control V. Now what you want to do is just grab this, get rid of all of the white, now the proper size for sidebar banner is going to be 200. So you want to go pixels and maintain aspect ratio and go 200. Okay. And let's just save this as JPEG. And we'll save it as sidebar banner. And we'll save it to desktop, and I'll show you how to actually install it. Get rid of all of this stuff. Now let's go back to the website. So now what you want to do is go to your dashboard, go to Appearance and Widgets. And what you want to do, this is the primary sidebar, is you want to left click on this text and pull it up wherever you want that image to go. I'm going to put it between the autoresponder. I'll show you here. Between the autoresponder and the Feedit widget. So in order to get this banner on your website, you need to go to New Page. And just call this Draft Page. Don't ever publish it. What you want to do right here is make sure you're in Visual. Place some X's right here. Highlight them. Put them in the center. Now you want to grab that image and bring it right inside of here. So you go Add Media, Upload Files, find that file, open it, and what I normally do here is alignment. I leave it in the center and insert into page. Now all you need to do is click on text. Right from the P here, left click, drag across all that text, and copy it. Now you go back to your widgets and you paste that right here. Save it. Now let's go back to your page and let's refresh, and that image will appear right here. And there it is. Now if you want this to go someplace, when someone clicks on it, right here it's just an image. I just clicked on it, there it is. You come back here, go back to visual, click on the image, click on this chain link, and right here you put the link where you want that banner to go to. I'm just going to have it go to my home page, and the title you put whatever you want here. I'm just putting home page, and open link in a new window tab, update it. Now I go back to text again, highlight all of this and copy it. Come back to your widgets, highlight all of this, delete it, paste that new HTML code there, and save. Now when I come back to this page and refresh, when I click this banner, it's going to go to my home page. And that's one way to use the free images in the Internet Marketing Toolkit. So when I come back, I'm going to actually show you how to make a header. And having your own branded header is a very good idea online. And you can see here how when I mouse over it, the text that I put in there, home page, pops up. And obviously I called this header Free Web Marketing Tools. So I'll see you in a minute. And this time it's how to make the banner header image for your website. Let's start from our dashboard. And what you want to do from here is go to Appearance, and you go to Header. Most WordPress themes will tell you here what size your header is. And of course I'm using the agency theme on Genesis Framework. And it's 960 by 115. So the first thing I want to do is go back to the free stuff, the backgrounds from the Free Internet Marketing Toolkit. And let's pick out a real cool background image here to use. Let's make it wood this time. Let's copy this. And let's go to our PowerPoint and paste that in. And let's copy it. Control C, of course. Let's open up Paint. And let's paste it. Now let's resize this. And this time you uncheck Maintain Aspect Ratio. So that was 960 by 115. Click OK. And this time you can select all, cut, back to PowerPoint, delete that, and paste this one right here. Now this is too small to work with, so what I normally do is left click here and make it bigger. Now what we do is go back to our images, and this time we'll use the blue car. Back here and paste it. Bring it down to the right size. Pull it over here like this. And it's always a good idea to brand yourself, so I'm just going to show you how to add an image of you on the right hand side. I have an image right here. Copy it, back and paste it. And you might want to add another image in here. So back to our images. Let's add the eagle. Back here and paste them. And it's a good idea to have your domain name on your header if you can. So let's insert some text. And let's just go freeinternetmarketingtoolkit.com. Let's highlight this. Let's go back home. I want to make sure that this really stands out, so let's go blue. Let's bring it to the right size, a better size. And it's still a bit big. Take it down to 40. Get it where we want it. And this is just for demonstration purposes, so I don't want to make this perfect. And we copy this, Control C. Now we go back to Paint, paste it. And again, what you want to do is get rid of all that white. That white can't be there. And let's bring this up. Check the end, it's good. Let's go back to resize, and this is 960 and it's saying 114, so we'll uncheck this again and go 115. And let's just save this as header, desktop. Save. Back to our website, and to add a new header image with the agency theme, I simply browse, find the header, open it, upload it, and we come down here and we save changes. Now let's go back to the website, and when we refresh, that new header image is right there. Pretty simple stuff. And considering 2 years ago I didn't know any of this stuff myself, and for this header image right here that you see up top, I paid $125 for that. And it took how long to make this one? 5 minutes. And if I spent 10-15 minutes on this, I can make it look really cool. So according to my math, that's $400 or $500 an hour. Anyway, that is the training on how to use the images in the free Internet Marketing Toolkit. When you make yourself an image, send me an email. Let me know what it looks like. I'd like to see it. And if it's really cool, I will use it in a training video sometime, and I'll send people to your website so that they can take a look at it. Free website traffic is really great. Bye for now.